Hi, I'm David, and this is my project for the Java Laboratory BiciU. Let's start in the project structure. Here's the database package. This is the more important package because this is where all the data is stored. The bikes.txt is the more important one. These are just auto-generated by the program. Here's my user. So let's just delete these ones because they're not substantial. We're gonna just start from scratch, and I already have the program running here. So let's start creating a new user, which is gonna be my own, my name, my surname, and my age. Now my user is already created. Let's ensure that by borrowing a bicycle. Yes, it allows us. So we already borrow a new bicycle that is randomly choose. I choose mountain, and let's see that from the history. Yes, one. Yes, it is active. So now that we have a ticket, the ticket status is active. Something that we can, for example, do is pay for a ticket that is active. In this case, this one. It says that it's still running, it is still active, so we have to return the bike first. So let's do that by returning it in the second option, the same code. Well, I choose, for example, I choose the borrowed bicycle, and this user doesn't exist. I missed, it was returned. So let's try that again, return, and now I can put this one. Says it has helmet. Yes, it is in good conditions. Yes, good. Let's see history again. Now it is okay. Perfect. Let's borrow a new bike, and this time we're gonna left it pending, so that we can ensure that the functionality is active. We're gonna return it, but with damages. So in this case is the second one. If we put the first one, it would say that it's already returned it, so we can. So we have to put a valid ticket. In this case, this one. Let's say that it doesn't have a helmet and it's in bad conditions. Now we're prompted to pay £10, and let's say yes. The history. Let's search for status this time. For example, active. There's nothing active. Let's see if there's something pending, for example. That one, perfect. So we need to pay for it, right? It's already pending. So if we try to borrow a new bike, it would say that our user has debt, so we have to pay them first so we can continue. Let's pay them again. It is this one, I think, pending. Yes. Now it's okay. Let's see the history. Okay, let's try borrowing another bike. Yes, now we're available to borrow any bike. This time we're gonna prompt a road, for example. With this ticket, I want to show you the functionality of the time. Let's hard code this txt file a little bit. It's in here in tickets. Let's say that I already borrowed like 3 hours ago. Let's see if it prompts us for the ticket, for the price for being late, like, because we only have 30 minutes for free. The other 30 minutes will be $3 cost. Let's see, it's the T3, so let's return that bike with the 3. The bike has helmet. Let's say yes, it has everything, but we're late like 3 hours, so we've prompted to pay 15, and it's pending again. We have to pay it so we can borrow more bikes. Yes, we're pending. Here's the history. We have to pay it, and for the T3, pay it. Yes, and yes. Perfect. Now I want to show you the availability of the bikes. For example, let's say that I want all the mountains gonna be occupied. So let's erase this by false, save, and let's try, for example, borrowing a mountain. Now we're free of debt, so we should be able to borrow a new bike. I missed one. Yeah, for example, I want a mountain, but all the mountains are occupied, are in use, so we shouldn't be able to borrow it. It says there's no mountain bikes available. I think that's all for the program history. Payments, return bikes, register users. Yeah, I think, and we could of course exit it. Exiting. Let me stop the video to see if there's something more. Of course, there's something remaining, like for the user creation. We can, for example, create a user that is underage. Let's try a random number, a random name, and random this one. For example, 14, it says that it must be older than 18. And yeah, that's everything for the project. And peace.